It is present time. See what we got. What we got. TJ going first. What we got in the box, TJ? What you got over here, man? What? You wanted one of them?
What is that, Greg?
I don't know.
He said, I don't know. I'm trying to open it. You gonna open yours now? All right, Tiana, your time. Go on, bust it open. Let us see what you got. See what you pick up.
Rip it, girl. Rip that open.
What is that? What's in there? Uh-oh, you got some hats. What's that, a hat? A purse? A bag? What you got in there? You gonna open it up, John? Let's see what you got in there. Oh, look, you don't even want to open it up. You ready to go to the next one, ain't you?
Hold on, Greg, before you open it.
You ain't gonna open up the box? You just want to see it. Open it up so we can see what it is, man. You gotta put some muscles on it. There you go.
They got a T on it.
Put little muscles in it. Woo, new glove. Everything got a T on it. Look at you. Tiana. Look at you. Go back designer, ain't you? Uh-oh. Oh, let's see. He just threw it out the way. Uh-oh, what's in there? Uh-oh, what's that? Is that a necklace?
Chain.
That's a chain, man. Open it up. See what you got, man. Like you got some bling.
I got some necklace.
You got a necklace, man. What kind of necklace is it?
That's not a necklace. That's a chain.
Oh, hold on.
That's a chain?
Yeah.
A chain and a necklace?
With the controller.
With a controller. Look at you.
No.
You doing it big. You got a necklace with a controller as the charm.
Like, cause please get it together. She's trying too long. Sister girl, why are you crying? There you go.
Let me see it, man. Check you out. Uh-oh. I see you. All right, I see you. Tiana, what you got? What you got? Look at you. You being all delicate with your paper.
Girl, rip it up.
Taking your what is that, Tiana?
Makeup.
Makeup? Uh-oh, you already pretty. You just gonna get extra pretty now, ain't you? You ain't gonna open it. Just gonna leave it like that?
Yeah, we're gonna leave that makeup like that.
You gonna leave it alone so you won't mess it up? Alright, it's on you, man. What you got?
Mommy, I want that one.
Yeah, I told them no putting makeup and nail polish on Ace, because they quick to do it.
I want that one behind Mario.
I'm gonna get, no, that's true. I didn't realize one day she painted his nails. I looked down. I said, Ace. I didn't know Tiana did it, wasn't it? I didn't know Tiana did it till I looked down. Don't open it. Just let me see. What is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's like you decorate your skateboard. You make your own skateboard.
I'd like to finish tomorrow.
Oh, you got all type of stickers and stuff on there.
Yeah. Tiana, just rip it, girl. Rip it.
I don't need help.
She said I don't need no help.
Better do it.
And I do it. Uh-oh. What she gonna cook us? You got you a breakfast, a tea set.
Yeah.
I wonder who got you that tea set.
I think Santa.
Okay. Uh-oh. What? You got a car?
That's a truck Ace got.
That's a truck, man. That's a nice one. You gonna open it up? You gotta take the stuff off of it.
No.
Put all the paper up over here. I'll throw it away here in a minute. I'll get it in a minute.
You said you couldn't get up. Well, just call me when you get all the way up. You want that one?
A new shoe? Yeah.
I already got the shoes.
Look at you. You like shoes, don't you? Oh, man, the shoes match your bag.
Mommy, you got me one.
There's 2 of them in there.
Mommy, you gave me these shoes.
No, you looked in my damn shit is what you did.
It matches your bag. Where your bag at? What you do with your bag?
Right.
Your daddy got these.
What you put your bag at? Your shoes match your bag and stuff. You could be able to have a whole matching outfit. Shoes, hat, the full 9.
I looked in the bag. I want blue.
Oh, I was gonna say.
He said, so how you gonna be?
Once he opened that one.
He got that. He said, man, I want the blue one.
Okay.
It matches what you got on, but yeah, I'm with you. We like blue. It's all good.
No. I didn't do nothing. Junior, that's yours.
That's a giant present for me.
Is it for you? Uh-oh. What kind of ball is that, Junior? That's a soccer ball. That means you kick that ball. Oh, give me a kick.
Right. Here, Tia.
Got a place. Yeah, we're going to got a good soccer game going. Tear up some stuff later.
Ice cream shop.
Wait, get back. I'm going to give it to you.
Ice cream shop.
Ice cream. Uh-oh, I can do some ice cream today. At the hookup, didn't you?
You want to go closer, Jim?
No, go ahead, Junior. I'm getting
What you got now? You got a different one?
Yeah.
Wow. Uh-oh. That's a custom one right there, man.
Tiana.
That's a collector's.
Here, this from your nanny and Coco. I'm just let me see.
Look at that. She about to just throw the shirt. She like, I ain't nothing in that nice I like. They get you some nice clothes and you go throw the clothes. You trying to find something to play with, ain't you?
Right, they said, man, these is clothes. Man.
I'm telling you, they ain't even interested. Like, what? Clothes?
We got a whole bunch of clothes. Let's just pick out one.
Uh-oh.
A coloring book?
You got some coloring books. You like the color.
Oh, I like dinosaur coloring books.
You gonna open it so
Oh,
you can check it out.
They're books. They're actually books.
That's Tiana. Oh. Jerry got me these. Yeah, these are my socks. These are socks. Girl, fuck you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You got some
Pencils?
Yeah.
I have new crayons and new pencils.
Yeah, my baby got the feet like her mama. Okay.
What, a book?
What's that, Jerry?
Yes.
Okay, Tiana, this is yours.
What's up, folks?
Y'all can open it together.
New boobs.
Okay, I like the sport
What's this
jacket.
here jacket? Hold it up this way.
I like the sport jacket.
Turn it around.
Turn around so your mom can see it.
Boobs.
Ooh, those nice. Those are pretty.
I'm gonna put them in my closet.
You want to put them on?
No, I'm gonna put them in the closet.
No, just leave them right there. What else she got?
Look, she said she ready to put them in the closet now. Put them up. Uh-oh, got you a couple good little outfits, didn't you, man?
That's a pants.
What else in there? Yeah, I will get them. I gotta get these white horses done.
That's it. Mommy, we're gonna open all of the presents. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
You know, they ain't never been no pretty shoes. They just made them things popular.
Yeah, this is yours.
I'm talking about the Air Forces.
Another boots.
Oh, I like those. Now, those some cool boots right there. They almost like some
Now I have
those Bob Marley boots. Uh-oh. Got you some good boots. I like that color, too.
Let's go.
I want me some Timberland boots, that color.
Mommy, now I have 4 boots.
This is yours.
I have 4 boots now.
It's getting real in
Wait,
here.
right back in the short.
What'd she say?
This is mine. That's mine from Tanya.
Uh-oh. Got the hook up. Don't get them dirty. Put them all in. Put them all once you open them. Put them all back in the bag once you look at them. Put them back in this bag once you look at everything. That way we can keep the clothes clean. Oh, that's a nice shirt, man. Now that's a nice shirt. That's hard.
Hey, don't throw it in there.
That's just clothes.
Upside down. Yep, that's a nice one.
Wait.
You checking out all this shirts. That's a nice shirt too, man. You like that shirt? I like that one. Put your other clothes in there. TJ, right beside you. No, right beside you. Put those clothes in the bag.
Right here. Get all these clothes in there.
Yeah, put them inside the bag too, so you won't get them dirty. Put them in there. Yep. And grab just sit here. Let me your pants. Put your pants in there.
Yeah, shut up. Be quiet now. She right here. You opened yours a little faster than Junior. So Junior's opening the rest of his real fast. And then I'm going to give you your stocking. Oh, yeah, Tony, that's what I'm talking about. I need a new blow dry, too.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, look at you, man. What is that? Oh, no, that's a dope. I got you a little blanket.
Show CC. Turn around. Oh.
That's where the
Look at you, man. This dude right here going to be tall through the roof. 6 years old. Already 5'7". No, I'm just talking stuff.
Which one is my stocking?
I'm going to give it to you in a second.
Now, I know you love Spider-Man.
You get the color. It's a big Spider-Man.
Oh, it's a big Spider-Man. You get the color. Oh, that's dope. And you like the color, too, so you get to put your own post on the wall. You got to take your time when you're coloring them. Make them look good. My grandbabies, fam. It's my oldest daughter, 27. My grandbabies. She's 5. He's 6 years old. Uh-oh, stocking time. Oh, you still got some more clothes. Yeah, see, you got the hookup, fam. Y'all got the hookup on the clothes. You got the hookup. What you see in there? You see something else in there? Uh-oh, you got your colors. You got your coloring books and your colors.
For your Barbie.
Yes.
Look at you.
Clothes for your Barbie.
Look at you. Whoop, whoop. Now, you need a jump. I don't know about a jump rope. You don't need to lose no weight. You don't need to lose no weight. We'll save that one for you. With your safety glasses.
So I can buy him?
Yep. So you can grind.
Oh, for the bathtub.
Yep. For the bathtub. Yep.
Yeah, I like bathtub. Oh, that's the last one. Nails.
I see.
Mommy, I have nails.
It's a hat.
I have nails.
Oh, that's a cool hat right there. And it's blue. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's dope right there, fam. I'm messing with it. I'm messing with it.
Mommy, I have nails.
Look, you got your gloves and everything. They done made a nice little old mess real quick.
And another glove. I have 2 gloves. What is this?
What is that? A game? What you doing with a game? That a game? What you gonna play it on? Hopefully somebody got you something to play it on.
What else is
Ooh, that's a good game too. What we got going on here?
You got more gloves. No, I want him to kind of see what the hell he got that for.
Uh-oh.
And a pin.
I see you.
A pin.
What else is in there?
What is that, man? Is that another
He
game?
said,
Yeah, it is a game.
That's a game, man.
this nigga said, that's grown folks.
He said these grown folks on here. Hold up, what's Okay. Look like you got something else in there good. What is that? Oh my goodness. What is that, man? You got all these games, man. What's going on? What we finna play this evening?
I have a pin.
What is that?
Caitlin got you that.
Oh. $75 worth of fun on it?
I have a pin.
I see you. What, you got some pins? Uh-oh.
That's it. That's it.
Here.
Who is that?
Here.
Hey, girl, stop killing the fun. Exactly. She ready to hurry up and see the big gift.
With your holy sock.
All right, man. We got one more present, man. What's in this big thing, man? What's in there?
Go back.
We're trying to see what this is. Let's see what this is, man. What it is.
Just open it. You close your eyes, do whatever you want to do. Tiana, be quiet.
Said he won't close his eyes and see what this is. This big boy stuff right here. This big boy stuff right here. See what he got.
Is that all?
Is that all? It's off. Flip it around. Look at it. What is it, man?
A pin.
Close your mouth.
Are you happy, man? Woo wee. We finna turn up, ain't we?
You said, look at her, he said, Tiana can have my Xbox.
Look at that. He gave you the Xbox. He's so cool. He said, you can have the Xbox. I upgraded now.
Sit down, Tiana.
I got some new stuff to play with.
Sit back. I ain't ready. Here you go.